Welcome in, cruise fans. We have another amazing video for you today. 3 awesome ships leaving Port Canaveral. All 3 gives us horns. We got Carnival Vista, Star of the Seas, and MSC Seashore. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching and enjoy. This is Port Canaveral. We're at Jetty Park, watching from Jetty Park on the shore here. Told y'all we gotta fight the bush. Gotta fight the bush today. Marty, appreciate that. Said the star should be dropping lines soon. We appreciate you, Marty. People are yelling high. You can hear it. Oh. Here we go. Come on, baby. I guess you just wanted to give us one. We'll take it. Safe travels. See, I gotta go around this bush today. Here we go. We're starting the day out right. Give us some horns. Somebody in the channel. Police escort just whipped around a little bit. Let's see. Actually might move it to get this one, everyone. All right, we're gonna take a little walk. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna be a little crazy for a second, in a second. But I wanna be able to get everybody. Love it. Look how beautiful this ship is. All right, there's the logo. Which one's deck 9? Well, I'm trying to zoom, it's not zooming. Oh, there she is. There's Marty. Fist bumping. There you see her. She's doing the trucker salute. I'm sorry, everybody, but I got you, Marty. You would find me at the Brooklyn Cafe on the seashore. That's my favorite hangout. All right, Brooklyn Cafe. I love it. Trisha set sail. I don't know all that. October 25th, 2026, Seashore, I think is what we're looking at. This beauty right here, we love it. Here she is, Karen. Cruising Chris, I have my MSC training completed. Awesome, congrats, Cruising Chris. I love it. Here we go. Horns from all the ships today, everyone. I hope you're enjoying it.
We love this song. We love this song. Here we go, everybody. Kick along, kick out.
Sounds like, I was gonna say, sounds like it's coming from the back here, but that's Here we go. That's a horn. Thank you, Seashore. Zach, have a good cruise, buddy. T-Bird, have a fantastic rest of your Sunday. I hope I get to see everybody out here tomorrow with us. Some different ships. We haven't been out here on Monday in a while, so it'll be fun. Flip-flopping, have a great time. Carol, have a great day. Randy, we'll see you tomorrow. Always good to see you, Randy. Lana, you're so welcome. Thanks for coming in. I appreciate you. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. Gary F, thank you. Okay, that was coming. It sounded like it. Daniel, you're welcome. Thank you, Cruise Fam. Everybody, thank you so much.